Hi, this is Suresh from Coimbatore. I'm very happy to meet you through this video. This video is dedicated to the candidates of other states, those who are willing to pursue engineering in Anna University. Yes, the online web portal has been opened for you. If you are very much interested to apply for engineering, just log into the website first. www.annauniv.edu/otherstate2020. This is the website. Anyway, I will add this website address in my description. You can follow the link. And what is the procedure? Just I am going to give you here one by one. Just follow that, so that it will be very useful for you to pursue engineering in Anna University. Number one, there are 50 seats has been allotted to all other state students to pursue engineering in Anna University. Total number of seats is 50. This 50 seats has been given in this way. Like number one, for Eastern region students, 9 students has been given in general category and 2 seats have been allotted in SC/ST category. So similarly for Western side, 9 students and then like 2 students in SC/ST category, and in Northern side 9 students. So East, West and North 9 in the general category and 2 in the SC/ST category. And for Southern side students, 12 seats have been allotted in general category and 4 seats has been allotted in the SC/ST category. So total number of seats allotted for other state students is here 50 in number. So how they are going to select you? Basically, you may be doing any kind of examination under any board as followed in your state. But one thing what they are asking for is maths, physics, chemistry mark is very important to get into engineering, number one. And whatever may be the system you are following, you have to give the equivalent credits or equivalent marks as per the Tamil Nadu norms, state board norms like HSC norms. You have to just convert it into equivalent mark, and you have to take it in account like physics, chemistry and maths put together 200. For maths 100 marks and physics and chemistry 100 marks put together 200 marks. Suppose you are willing to do architectural engineering, then you have to give very importance for your NATA. So NATA is compulsory and you have to take NATA examination also. Along with maths, physics and chemistry, you have to give the NATA scores. So NATA score 200 plus here maths, physics, chemistry 200, 200 plus 200, 400 is the mark, that is required mark for applying for this particular BR course in Anna University. So this is for us as far as educational point of view, and whatever may be the mark, whatever may be the CGPA, whatever the procedure you are following, just try to have it to the equivalency as per the Tamil Nadu state government. Number one. Number two, suppose if your mark sheets are in some other language, like if you, maybe in your own state language, try to translate it in the English, because they are accepting only the English form of the thing. So you have to get an authenticated equivalency certificate only in English. No other languages allowed here, and then they are strictly saying that English is must and they have to transfer the certificate. That's a very important second thing you have to follow. And they have to, based on your maths, physics, chemistry, and based on your all things, they will just finalize the ranking. They will allot it here based on your proficiency level only they are going to give the ranking, and based on the ranking you will be given 3 different ranking. Ranking number 1 is the overall ranking, ranking number 2 is the regional level ranking, and ranking number 3 is like communal based ranking. And as I told in the 50 seats, only 1 seat has been already allotted for Kashmiri migrant people. This is a very important point I want to stress here. Any Kashmiri migrant, you will be given 1 seat in Anna University. So put together, as I said, for 46 is there. And regarding your fees, your application, all the applications should be done only in the online. And I will tell you what are the necessary certificates. You have to keep it ready for uploading it. I will tell you in the forthcoming one. Before that, just I want to tell you, the application fee for the candidates is like if you are only applying for BE BTech, you have to pay 500 rupees. You are only applying for BArch, then you have to pay again 500 rupees. You are applying for both BE BTech as well as BArch, then you have to pay 1000 rupees as the application fee. Once if your application is scrutinized and you are getting ranked and all those things is over, you are called for a counseling. If you before counseling, you have to pay rupees 5000 as the counseling fees. So this is also it's mandatory. Once if you pay the counseling fees, then only you can participate in the counseling. Then only you can able to get the seats in the prescribed format and the prescribed college also. And that is very important. For your information, I just want to highlight it. the date of application which has been opened is already started earlier in 12/8/2020. The application was opened on 12/8/2020. Last date of application is like 3/9/2020. Next month 3/9/2020 is the last date for filling up the applications. And once if you are getting an application is scrutinized and all those is over, you got an admissions, and which is the last date for you to join into the institution is 31/12/2020. This year end, December 31st is the last date for you to just join into the institution. If you are not joining on that particular date, later your automatically your admissions is cancelled, and what the amount you are paid will be refunded to you. 80% amount will be refunded back to you. That is a good information they are also shared here. And at the outset, once again, I wish you all the best for your bright future. Do study in a great college, Anna University, so one of the premier institutions in the country, and wish you all the best. So if you have any doubts, just leave your doubts in the comments. I will answer for your doubts. Or if you want to contact me, you can contact me at any point of time in the evening hours from 6 to 10 p.m. I'm ready to answer for your doubts. So wish you all the best. If you have any questions, let us join together, and I'm waiting for you to help you. Wish you all the best. Bye bye. See you.